In this video, I am going to show you how to get Canva Pro for free. Here I am showing you how to get Canva Pro for free for student. For this, you need to follow these steps. Canva does not offer Canva Pro directly to students, but there is a free option called Canva for Education that unlock many Pro features. Here's how to get it. Requirements: a valid student email address, usually ending in .edu. Steps: go to Canva website and click on Education in the top menu. Click on Get Started or Sign Up for free. You will be asked to sign up or log in. Choose Sign Up with your school email. Enter your student email address and follow the on-screen instructions. Then Canva may ask you to verify your enrollment. Verification process. The verification process can vary depending on your school. In some cases, Canva might automatically verify your enrollment using your email address. Other times, you might need to provide additional information or wait for your school to approve your access. Canva for Education features. While not exactly Canva Pro, Canva for Education offers many valuable features, including millions of free and premium photos and templates, access to design tools like background remover and photo editor, cloud storage for your designs, collaboration features for working with classmates. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.